Long coding days are over. Meet Newo.ai, the one-click voice AI employee creator. Here's how it works. Head over to Newo.ai and click Train Your AI Agent. Then you can either enter your business website URL or search for it on Google. Hit the button and Newo.ai will immediately start learning about your business from your public info on your website or Google Maps business profile, and load all of this knowledge into your AI employee with pre-built behavior based on your industry. Your AI employee can be customized to match your tone, company policies, escalation paths, all without a single line of code. Once your agent has been trained on your business's data, you'll get to a screen with your AI phone number. Test it out for yourself by calling it.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I'm looking to book an appointment.
Great. Are you a new patient or a returning patient?
I'm a new patient. I'm just a little bit scared of dentists.
Oh, I understand completely that seeing a dentist can be a bit stressful for some people. We actually offer sedation options to help kids feel comfortable. I can send you a link to schedule an appointment, and we can discuss this more fully during the consultation. Would you like me to send that link to you?
Yeah, sure. By the way, how many dentists does it take to change a light bulb?
I love that joke. I'm not quite sure of the answer, but it sounds like a fun one. Would you still like me to send the link to schedule your appointment?
Yeah, sure. You can send it. From day one, your agent can handle voice, chat, SMS, and social platform DMs out of the box, with endless customizations available whenever you need it. And that's not all. You'll see the real business impact in comprehensive reports that track every interaction and show the additional secured revenue your agent generates. Our clients are seeing up to $100,000 in additional revenue per month. So skip the marathon coding sessions. Visit Newo.ai/creator, spin up your AI employee in a single click, and watch your business grow.